Modogo ito Sarah, Sarah Rusi, thank you for watching. Eva Luna, thank you. Dan Thuo, thank you. Kevin Mwangi, thank you for watching. So, Elijah githiaga na mbere na gututariria na ndurura twinira rwimbo rwa Christmas. Turenda rwa kwaya, tigana rwa Feliz. Turenda rwa kwaya.
Dina rugi.
Wena rugi. Haya, hold on. Kidogo tu 1 minute with the vocals. So Mwiroreri, thank you so much. Niwe ureyandikithirie gukano kathini wa Metha ya Kagoni Christmas dinner iri gakorwo Saturday no iroka 16th nekambiriria kuma thaa 10:30 guthio guo nginyagia thaa 4 cia utuku tugakorwo mukawa-ini wa Safari Park. Already nijui ni wamukirite kadi yaku ya invitation. Ni wiritwo the details gwikira ugekira atia tugekira black and gold, that is the theme color. We are going to have so much fun. Na togo aigwe gitwo dinari ni kukula ni kukula kabisa nitukaria nigetha tukenanire tugie na mweke wa gucemania. We wendete Metha ya Kagoni, tugie na mweke wa gucemania, tuhurwo bica, twaranirie, tutheke, turire maundu maria mothe ukenda twike muthenya ucio nimo tugakorwo tugika, because we value you ni tondu wa gucagura Metha ya Kagoni. Number 2, ni tugakorwo tukimenya maundu maingi megi investment, especially in land banking. Kana
itako
land banking.
Very correct.
Yes, niundu woguo mbeca cito cigite na a lot of inflation. Ni wega kuigithia mbeca ciaku handu harakura. Koguo muthenya ucio ni tukagĩa na mweke wa kumenya maundu maingi megie land investment, and on top of that Mwiroreri ni ugacemania na ni ukagĩa na mweke wa gucemania na the marriage coach Wanjiru Kiama. Yes, wow. I know you love her. Ni agakorwo kwa muthenya ucio na ni akamwariria na oroho ni tugakorwo na Caro, your health coach. Ciurire ciothe urenda kumuria ciigie mibangi, micege, mikengeria icio ni ndu
mibangi, micege ni njui ke mundu ariaga micege
ni uriku mucege uhana
blackjack.
Oh. Blackjack ni riagwo. Mucege ni uriagwo
atia?
Yeah, tanyeni.
Yo utanifunza baada kana
utafunzwa na Caro hiyo siku.
Nitafunzwa na Caro.
Yes, on Saturday ni ugacemania na Caro, your health coach, aguthomithia maundu macio mothe. Uko sawa?
Tuanze sasa.
Tuanze.
Sawa. Sasa hii nitahitaji basi hata wewe unipe sauti ya kwaya. Juu umekataa Feliz na Vidad.
Sauti ya kwaya.
Inaona
lakini uje yangu haikuangi kwa hiyo setup ya bass, alto, sijui tena haikuangi.
Yako haina specific.
Mine is
as
special.
The spirit leads.
Yes.
Sawa. Gojia to ne line mweto kuina tukuga amezaliwa Yesu amezaliwa, amezaliwa Yesu amezaliwa, Yesu amezaliwa. Dia kiriganiro na hawa tukugaza no Yesu dawe kate dawe sharo ashazaliwa ni mjini amezaliwa.
Mjini amezaliwa. Haya, one more take.
Amezaliwa Yesu amezaliwa, amezaliwa Yesu amezaliwa, Yesu amezaliwa. Monica,
yes.
Mjini amezaliwa. Wow.
Hiyo wimbo ni ya kujitungia sai. Tafadhali tuirate tuone kama inaweza ingia kwa competition.
Muni promote.
We have an upcoming musician right here.
Amen.
Mudogo itoka iretu Kawagige. Thank you for watching. Dan Maina, thank you. Tabitha, thank you. Virginia, thank you so much. Hopeful, thank you. Philip, Nyambura Thuo, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Now, nijui hena muduroria, okay, na kama sijajiandikisha kukuja dina. nitafanya nini. Na already nituhingite reservations. Already nituhinge unfortunately nituhingite reservations, but that doesn't mean ndũngĩtuĩka part of Metha ya Kagoni Diaspora dinner. Nĩ tondũ wake, nĩ tondũ tũgakorwo tũgĩ-stream event ĩyo live streaming on
our social media platforms.
Yes.
You know, specifically first of all AMG nitugakorwo how to represent twina nginya Ithaga TV as well. Yes, we'll be representing live.
Very good. Koguo tugakorwo tugi-stream event ino on AMG YouTube channel, on AMG Facebook page, on Metha ya Kagoni YouTube channel, on Metha ya Kagoni Facebook page, and on Ithaga TV Facebook page. Koguo ndurirwo ni mwago ucio, ndurirwo ni mwago toria will have so much fun. By the way, muthenya ucio ni tugakorwo na rwimbo kiheri tondu ni gukungwira Christmas.
Uga rwimbo kiheri?
Rwimbo tu rwimbo ruingi pio.
Ndio nimejua sasa.
A lot of dancing niwe itagwo rwimbo tu.
Basi.
Rwimbo tu. Tigata ruru rwa Elijah rwa kwaya.
Rwa kwaya no mu dance mwenda. Ndona hakuheo dance Monica.
Wenda rungi.
Ai hiyo twambe tuthie na mbe kana ntwarikia.
Wenda rungi.
Reke njikare kwanza.
Aya raidre damoni retere wini wa Elijah kana ni urakinyia bei kana ndurakinyia. Aya mwiroreri muthenya ucio, I'm just giving you teasers cia muthenya ucio. Muthenya ucio ni tugakorwo na rwimbo toguo ndauga rwimbo kiheri, na rwimbo tugakorwo tukiinirwo ni mundu witagwo Kamau Karongo. No aririkana kiatu. Ikira kiratu Monday,
ikira kiratu Tuesday, na gitiga kuhinya.
Uwe ni roe.
Eti muhiki mwega no ta.
Ina.
No how did I kana ko.
Eti muhiki mwega nike.
Eti ya thiaga atia.
Ikira.
The word ikira to Monday. Ikira to Tuesday. Itiga kuhinya. Koguo niwe aya tamakana no mwaka kumugeithia na tuhure gabiya kamwe na ndemuinira
atiriri ai ndinora tari guo kirathie kiratu kira gitira kuinya. Aya so tukona Kamau Karongo on that day ni ogakorori behind the band. Koguo ni agatukenia muno muthenya ucio twina muini ungi twendete muno. You should not miss this. Ona koroduri na dua register, make sure you got to follow thini wa platforms icio twagweta Metha ya Kagoni, both YouTube and Facebook. AMG both YouTube and Facebook, na on Ithaga TV. Ndukanetikire kurirwo ni mwago ucio tondu nitugakorwo na muini ungi bado wi ngumo muno witagwo Jeru Thiga. Ni igwa ribreragwo riria wanyonirie kuhoya nidakenire ndamenya kure bata wakwa hariwe uru ni kuri no arumenya ni uranyita nicigo irora
no
tune nayo so ntugakorwo na muini ucio na aige. Yes, so Susan Mwathi, thank you. Mundu gwitwo Martin kadi hujapata? Utapata very soon.
Tutashughulikia.
Haya kairetu tiga ko ni enjoy ni no gugete otene mugambo wakwa ndukoragwo hari migambo iria ithomithagio music ine. Teresia Gitao, thank you. Emily Wamboi, thank you. Sarah Jenga, thank you. Wanjiro Gitao, asante sana. Marusi retwa riu ni riariga.
Marusi tuishime. Retwa riu riaku ni rirathime. Ndogaga uguo.
Ni riega.
Yeah, you have a very unique name. Blessed.
Very unique.
Yeah.
So So wiroreri muthenya ucio make sure ni twanyitanira hamwe na njira iria yothe tugakorwo tukinyitanira nayo. Origi, this event is sponsored by AMG Realtors. And AMG Realtors mwiroreri ni gwiraga ite kuhinga maitho kana ite gustasta kana ite gwetigira ni tondu ni njui. It is the best land selling company. Doge kioriko ne kambuni ya AMG Realtors. Doge invest then wabiriria kuheo karugano. For the last 4 years I've been with AMG. Did they were scandal, did they were customer tunyeto, did they were modu urateta ni undu wa AMG Realtors. What we promise, we deliver. Twakwirira your title in 60 days, you get it in even in less than 60 days. Twakwirira title yaku ukureherwo hari ori. Akoro timoni ko gukurehera. Then akoro wija ya bururi ukureherwo na DHL. Tiguo.
To your doorstep.
To your doorstep.
Yes.
Mwiroreri angikoro you've had that experience. Twire how they know a comment section ati we wareheirwo title yaku ku. Wari US, UK, Canada, Qatar, Dubai, Australia, Israel, wari kukirehero title yaku nwareheirwo ni DHL. And then marehi maria mothe werwo mugunda, for example, broti ni ngiri 300 for example.
Yes.
Marihi macio marugamirire maundu mothe. Tugacoka kuhurirwo thimu baadaye wirwo ati ni ukuongerera 50 cia kuruta taito hena ngiri 10 cia wakiri agacia stamp duty 3% gutire undu tocio. So mbeca iria wenderio mugunda nduri mbeca ingi ugacoka gwitio. The next call will be kujia taito yako.
Bas.
Ama kama hutakujia tutume wapi?
Hata nje ya country. Okay, usijali. Tuko na wewe. Tukuletee wapi?
Unataka tukuletee taito yako.
Free of charge, by the way.
Free of charge.
Yeah.
Gutire na any other charges ya kiria wenderio mugundo ucio nakio. Sure. And legit, you have my word. You have my 100% guarantee ati wana wa invest na AMG Realtors utire ni ukugia na title yaku, not a certificate, by the way. Tutiendagia migunda iraheana certificate na toria Elijah atariria wauga twendagia migunda iria tacokera hau. That point is very important.
Twendagia migunda iria tukurite.
Yes.
Na ni itu title cigathoma ritwa ritu AMG Realtors. Kuoka kugura, you are dealing with us directly. So ni partnership between you and us as AMG. Ko wena kiuria ate kia mugunda utire mundu ungi turathie kuria kuuja. Ni ithe ukuria kiuria kiu. Na uria ndageria na kuria na kiuria.
Hi, mwiroreri, have you registered for the Metha ya Kagoni Diaspora dinner, proudly sponsored by AMG Realtors? Agikorwo ni registered, I can't wait to see you on 16th of December from 4:30 p.m. ugoka tene nigetha tuhurwo mbica nyingi.
Bas.
Nyingi pio. Nyingi pio.
Utikoragwo na mbica tu.
Ndona hari ororete.
I'm a good student.
Yes. So tugakorwo na ihinda riega ugoka nigetha twike maundu macio matatu twagweta. Tumenyane, gwire thengio kuma ngoro gitina ni gucagura Metha, ugie na mweke wa kumenya how you can invest in land banking na oroho umit andu angi meguguteithiriria. In particular, Wajiro wa Kiama, the marriage coach, na Karo, your health coach. Na nidagikwira mwago ni mama irio ni nyingi tundu nginina rwimbo ni ukaruta iratu ni uri onogire ni ko dance. Of course we'll have so much fun na ni ukagia na mweke wa ku network na andu angi. So do social capital is very important.
Very.
Yes, so ndenda turikiririe na tukirigithoma messages nawe ukorwo ukitayarisha karibu ga kuhinga tiguo
kuhinga. Riu nie ngwenda riu twikire tune kwi Spanish. Andu aria mauga ati ti rwimbo rwa Spanish ndiraina twine hamwe nigetha onao mauge ni moe Spanish. Tuo.
Na Spanish. Aya, sawa. Watu wajitayarishe tuine rwimbo rumwe. But Elsie, thank you so much. Peter Njoroge, you're watching. Elliot, thank you. Maggie, asanti sana. Gladys, thank you. Sarah Jenga. Joyce Wanjiru, wake ni wengi. Mother Megwe.
Wow.
Anthony Wainaina, nimeona message yako, nimeiona. Naona vile unanichongoa. Haya, mudu gwito Amos Manwa, Elizabeth and Kamau, Maladasha, thank you. John Gatiga, thank you so much. Neguthie na mbere na kwirorera Metha na gucagura Metha. Are you ready?
I am ready. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Sawa. Lu eno ni kwenda dance hanini. We use the shoulders. Afu tuzio.
Okay. Kikuyu style.
Yeah. Okay. Kikuyu style mudu daikara go kala. Ah, dapat dia. Feliz Navidad. Top. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año. Felicidad.
Okay, so we go again.
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año. Felicidad. Aya, tuambie hii sasa.
I wanna wish you
a Merry Christmas.
Kira. Ki.
I wanna wish you.
Okay.
Sawa.
I
wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom
of my heart.
Sasa tuambie tukiwa pamoja.
I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas.
We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas.
We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas
from the bottom
of our hearts.
Wow. Sauti nayo.
Tuko nayo?
Iko.
Wow, it was really fun having you, Mwiroreri. But fun area nene igakoro muthenya wa Saturday.
Yeah.
So see you on Saturday. Nakoro duri nakorwo wa register kuhota guka. Please join us on our social platforms.
Sure.
AMG Realtors, the official sponsors of Metha, and Metha ya Kagoni and Ithaga TV. Yes, thank you so much. From Mr. Bamba Nyumba na Monica Kagoni, tunakupenda sana.
Tunakupenda sana.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Feliz Navidad.